Anyway, guys, this is Samara Peace and Wasela. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you so, guys. Finally, Promise Makunyane, she's ready to talk. Well, before we get to Promise Makunyane, guys, we know I celebrated traditional healer, transgender activist, and a business person, Tyra Sindani, guys, popular known as Gogo Mazini. For those who don't know, Gogo Mazini was introduced to us by Owami Entertainment. If you go to Owami's YouTube channel, you will find their videos there, guys. He has passed away 4 months ago, and I saw this on the Facebook. There's a lady lapana go Facebook in 4 months. So Gogo Mazini has passed away. The fans of Gogo Mazini are not happy, guys. They are dragging everyone lapana go comment section. If family yaka husband to Gogo Mazini. So anyway, guys, she went on to say this. Asalike. Umngani wethu is 3 months buried, mara why impahla zakhe zigqoka omunye umuntu who is not her relative. Sizomtshela ukuthi actually Tyra, for those who don't know, Tyra is a real name yaka Gogo Mazini, has signed a contract and posted here on Facebook for us to speak Masekunje. This is a disrespectful to Tyra's family. Brian Oronje. So they were dragging a husband yaka Gogo Mazini, saying ukuthi wrong for kunikeza umunyu impahla, guys. So people are saying a lot of stuff ukuthi no, a husband yaka Gogo Mazini, he's being disrespectful for giving another lady impahla. Nobody knew ukuthi girl, maybe she's a family member or what's going on. So let's get to Promise Makunyane. If there's one person who's supporting Promise Makunyane, Gogo Skhotheni, guys. So Promise Makunyane posted this beautiful picture with a caption. The day I understood that people who don't punch down, punch up, I stop being mediocrity. So under the same post, Gogo Skhotheni commented, went on to say, Omongwen karekitlo kwale sefahlehong sitile ubisi obona bontle young baby. So she's saying a lot of stuff. Like I feel like she was insulting Owami, guys. One thing about Gogo Skhotheni, she has no filter, guys. Gogo Skhotheni, she doesn't mind dragging people. Seems like the only way to speak is to write a book. Everything that has been happening to her, if there's a divorce, we're gonna find out on the book. She's going to announce it very soon when she's releasing the book. So anyway, guys, congratulations to Promise Makunyane. I think she realized what this thing of posting on podcast is not gonna waste time. It's not gonna make enough money for her. So she rather she's a very smart woman. She understands the business. So one thing I promise, she will use everything to make money, guys, and that's a smart move. You cannot come here on social media and cry and not make money. So it's better for you to use your struggle to make money, guys. The technology nowadays, people are using their struggle to make money. You're not gonna share something very sad and not make money. People are using their struggle to make money, so that's part of it. So anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday.